How to Unlock Your Instagram Account 2026 Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Instagram account if it's temporarily locked, disabled, or asking for verification. Don't worry, just follow these steps carefully. First, open the Instagram app or go to the login page. Step 1. Understand why your account is locked. Your account on Instagram can be locked for reasons like suspicious login activity, too many actions, likes, follows, comments, violating community guidelines, or using third-party apps or bots. Understanding the reason helps you fix it faster. Step 2. Verify your identity. Most of the time, Instagram will ask you to confirm your identity. You may need to enter a code sent to your email or phone number, complete a security check, confirm your recent activity, follow the on-screen instructions to unlock your account. Step 3. Reset your password. If your account is locked due to suspicious activity, tap Forgot Password. Enter your email, username, or phone number. Create a new, strong password. This helps secure your account and restore access. Step 4. Check email from Instagram. Instagram often sends an email when your account is locked. Open your inbox and look for messages from Instagram. Follow the instructions provided in that email to unlock your account. Step 5. Submit an appeal. If your account is disabled, you'll need to request a review. Go to the official Instagram help page and submit an appeal form. Provide your full name, username, email address, a short explanation of the issue. Step 6. Wait for response. After submitting the appeal, wait for Instagram's response. It may take a few hours or a few days. Check your email regularly for updates. Important tips. Avoid using third-party apps or bots. Don't perform too many actions quickly. Always follow Instagram's rules. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra security. Final result. By verifying your identity, resetting your password, or submitting an appeal, you can successfully unlock your Instagram account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.